Hi everyone. So in this install video we'll be showing you our larger VapourTech permeable membranes, the 2.7, 4 and the 3 metre installations on a timber frame. First we just line up the start and tack into place with a staple gun, and then roll out a small section and tack that into place. You can then continue along the rest of the wall and then tack into place every third or fourth stud. If you're in a high wind area, it's recommended to anchor with Tack screws. Then you can return back along the wall and tidy up and ready for securing with Ametalin cat nails. So here we have attaching the cap nails, and now they're spaced every 300 millimeters or so along each stud. Continue along the rest of the wall, making sure you get every stud. As you can see, VapourTech membrane is somewhat semi-transparent in the sun, so studs are easily identifiable.